So this customer here had walls that were very dry, they were peeling, they're cracking, and they called us in so that we can give them a nice finished look in their basement. As you can see, we wrap the pipes we protect the pipes to make it so that the cement doesn't slop up the pipes. We try to keep our work as neat as possible. And as you can see, these walls, they have virtually no cement on them. But we're going to put a minimum 2-3 coats, some spots 4 coats on these walls. And when we're done, these walls are going to look flat. They're going to look even. They're going to look like almost like drywall upstairs. And then once the walls are painted, they'll really look good and they're bright in the basement. So at this job here, we had these walls are unusual. Typically the height is around a little bit more than 6 feet, 6.5 feet. And these walls are very tall, so we have to bring in scaffold. Okay, and so we can get them between the joists and make it so that the mice don't come in. Now we're applying glue on these walls because we like to put some kind of adhesive on them before we apply cement. And this adhesive just makes it so that the cement will stick to the wall. And in our cement we use fiber, which is glass, little glass fibers to keep it from cracking. We try to smooth our walls out, make them nice and flat, as you see the worker is doing here. Like I said, once these walls are painted, they'll look flat. They look really nice, like drywall, and which saves a lot of money. And and that's what the customer called us for. They called us for nice, flat, even walls. And that's what we do. We make these basements really come to life. These basements are the largest room in the house. So therefore, it's worth investing the money into these basements. And what we like to do too is get behind the utilities, all the pipes, and make it so that there's no little holes that these little Mickeys and these little mice can come through. And so as you can see, the worker here, he's about ready to sponge behind these water meters. So we try to do a nice, consistent job throughout the basement, even behind the pipes and behind the hot water heater and the furnaces. We try to finish it up really nice, okay? And so we do a nice little sponge finish, get all the little holes and knots and lumps and try to flatten it out as best as possible. Like I said, our goal is to make this look like drywall. And then typically the walls are painted white. And the white paint really brightens the basement. Please like and subscribe to Basement Wall Pros channel. Thank you.